How to make hair roots strong naturally? Did you know that the average person has approximately 100,000 hair follicles on their scalp? Each of these follicles is a powerhouse, responsible for producing hair that grows, on average, about half an inch every month. Yet, despite the resilience of these follicles, many of us face the challenge of weak hair roots, leading to hair thinning, breakage, and even hair loss. The ancient Greeks believed that a person's hair was a direct reflection of their health, and modern science seems to agree. A study published in the Dermatology Practical and Conceptual Journal found that hair health could indicate underlying health conditions, from hormonal imbalances to nutritional deficiencies. Avoid heat styling tools, such as blow dryers, straightening irons, and hot curlers, can significantly weaken hair strands, leading to damage and frizziness. It's essential to limit the use of these tools to 2 or 3 times a week and always maintain a safe distance from the hair. Using a lower heat setting and applying a heat protectant product can further minimize damage. For those with particularly fragile hair, it's recommended to avoid heat styling altogether and explore no heat styling methods. Don't overuse shampoo. Over-shampooing can strip the hair of its natural oils, leaving it dry and brittle. This can make the hair more susceptible to breakage. It's advised to use only a quarter-sized amount of shampoo, focusing primarily on the scalp. Overwashing can be detrimental, so it's best to shampoo 2 or 3 times a week, depending on hair type and oiliness. Cool rinse your hair. Showering with extremely hot water can damage hair cuticles and roots. Instead, it's recommended to use lukewarm water and finish with a cold rinse. This seals the hair cuticle, helping it retain moisture and shine. Boost vitamin intake. A deficiency in essential vitamins can lead to weak hair roots, thinning, and hair fall. Consuming a balanced diet supplemented with vitamins can strengthen hair and repair damage. Essential nutrients for hair growth include vitamin A, found in sweet potatoes and carrots, B vitamins, especially biotin found in egg yolks and salmon, vitamin C, found in citrus fruits, vitamin D, found in fatty fish, vitamin E, found in sunflower seeds, iron, found in red meat, and zinc, found in lentils. Massage your scalp. Regular scalp massages can stimulate hair growth and enhance blood circulation, ensuring hair follicles receive the necessary nutrients. A daily 4-minute scalp massage can increase hair thickness and strength over time. When combined with hair growth oils or serums, the benefits are amplified. Massaging not only promotes hair health but also offers relaxation and stress relief. Increase protein intake. Protein is a fundamental building block for hair. Incorporating protein-rich foods like eggs, fish, lean meats, and legumes can fortify hair and reduce the risk of thinning or balding. Hot oil treatment. Hot oil treatments can deeply moisturize and repair damaged hair. Combining oils like coconut and avocado oil and applying them to the scalp and hair can restore shine and bounce. Regular treatments can protect hair from further damage and keep it healthy. Limit chemical treatments. Chemical treatments, including hair coloring, perming, and straightening, can weaken hair over time. These treatments can alter the hair's natural structure, leading to dryness, breakage, and thinning. Stay hydrated. Water plays a crucial role in maintaining overall health, including that of your hair. Dehydration can lead to dry, brittle hair that's prone to breakage. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water daily to keep your hair hydrated from the inside out. Reduce stress. Chronic stress can lead to hair thinning and even hair loss. Engaging in relaxation techniques such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, and yoga can help manage stress levels. Additionally, ensuring you get adequate sleep and maintaining a balanced lifestyle can contribute to reduced stress and improved hair health. Limit alcohol and caffeine consumption. Excessive alcohol and caffeine can dehydrate the hair, making it more prone to breakage. It's essential to moderate your intake and ensure you are consuming enough water to counteract their dehydrating effects. Follow inflammation reducing diet. Limit extremely spicy and sour foods. Excessive salt can weaken roots and cause premature graying. Smoking and alcohol can also trigger inflammation. Avoid unhealthy fats. Foods high in refined oils, palm oil, fried foods, starch, and sugary foods can increase cough, weakening hair roots. Causes of weak hair roots, follicles, lack of nutrients, water, a diet deficient in essential hair nutrients like iron, calcium, zinc, vitamin D, and fundamental hair proteins can weaken the roots. Proper hydration is also crucial for maintaining hair health. Occlusion of blood supply to the follicles, cough, imbalances in cholesterol, hormones, and sugar can hinder essential nutrition from reaching the hair roots, even if one consumes a balanced meal. This can lead to issues like seborrheic dermatitis. Inflammation, bitter, overexposure to chemicals, heat treatments, pollution, and a high acid diet can weaken hair roots, causing pain and dandruff. Internal diseases, conditions like alopecia areata, polycystic ovary syndrome, scalp psoriasis, and thyroid problems can disrupt the natural hair growth cycle, leading to premature hair shedding. Chemotherapy. The powerful drugs used in chemotherapy can weaken hair roots, leading to hair thinning and loss. Medication. Some medications, such as isotretinoin for acne, can weaken hair roots. Trauma or stress. Sudden trauma or excessive stress can cause a condition called telogen effluvium, which weakens hair roots and leads to temporary hair fall. Age. Aging can slow down hair growth, leading to hair thinning and excessive shedding. Thank you for watching my video. Kindly give love and support.